in the city. That guy dope.
Good evening, everybody. It's Nature Don here. We're here at Taylor Farm Park out here in Powder Springs. It's gonna be a great night. I have my friend here, Forrest Bob, right here to our left.
How you doing?
How you doing, Forrest Bob? It's a great night out here. So can you please tell the audience right here, what are we going to get into tonight?
Well, we're gonna go ahead and walk through the dangerous forest of Taylor Farm Park. I seen a few gators back there, and wild alpacas.
So recently I've been seeing on the newscast that there's possibly coyotes out here. Is that true? Is there coyotes out here?
Definitely. Many coyotes. Coyotes are crazy. They're savages.
Oh,
okay?
God.
They eat everything.
One more question before we get out here into the dangerous forest. Do we have any weapon of some sort?
I got this stick right here. We'll use this.
In
the dark.
Well, hello. My name's motherfucking Billy Bob. I'm the only goddamn gangbanger from Missouri. Bitch, this is West Side Corn Husker blood.
Onto the darkness we go. We finally made it here. This is more stranger than Stranger Things. This is very dark, very ominous. But Forrest Bob is our great tour guide. He's been here for over 20 years. He's the best. Watch out. It's a dangerous.
What is it?
This is a dangerous ant here. Fire red ants live in here. If you put your finger in there, it's a damn likely chance they're going to bite you. So we're gonna go around it. Come on, go around. Great. Goodbye, little fire ants, and fuck you later. Don't bite nobody. Could've got my hand shot by my dog. Nature dog.
Nature dog. Well, Forrest Bob.
Hold on.
I'm gonna show you guys how to play some fucking darts. The key to
Yo,
good
that nigga
darts.
got me good. I can feel it on my pinky.
The key to good
I said
darts.
it.
No.
Bad dog, don't jump.
The key to good darting is aim and precision.
We're keeping
I
that
was not
serious.
keeping it on the right angle.
No.
Check.
Fucking get my ass. Alright.
Stop it. Go lay down.
Come on, nature dog. Alright.
No point.
Yeah. I'm gonna need you.
Point.
Whoa.
Upstairs.
Oh.
Upstairs.
Foot nature dog.
Alright, Forrest Bob, you have told us now to take out our phones for a flashlight. Is that true? Oh. What do you see? What is it?
Okay, it's nothing. Keep coming.
Okay, guys, it's kind of scary out here. It's kind of ominous. Nature Don does not like the darkness that much, but I'm gonna keep going because I'm a G like that.
Alright, we see this right here, guys.
What is this?
It's right here.
What is this?
It's a string of life plant.
String of
Okay?
life.
Every single time you take a bite of this plant, you will survive an extra year of your life. Okay?
Have you done this yourself, possibly?
Yes. I'm actually 137 years old.
Wow.
I eat this every day.
I'm not gonna do it, but I believe you, man. I believe you, mate. I
Yes,
believe you.
Definitely.
Tree of life plant, everybody. Take just a bite of a string, and it adds almost 100 years to your life. Not doing it. Nature Don's not Steve Irwin or Bear Grylls. I'm Nature Don. Did you hear that?
Oh, fuck no.
Oh shit, I didn't see you there. What's up, I'm Gene Troy, aka GBT, Young Peppermint Pocket. You know what the fuck it is? Today I'm gonna show y'all how to do a backflip. Alright, you ready? Alright. Actually, nah, come down here, man. Come down here.
Okay, Forrest Bob, right here. We see these bigger sticks. Do you think this would be a better weapon to equip us in?
No.
Okay.
As you can see, these sticks are infested with moss.
Oh.
Now, this moss will shrivel your balls up and you will die. Okay? Beware of the moss. Don't touch the moss. Let's keep moving, guys.
Alright, guys, don't touch the moss. if you just lean down a little bit, you'll be great. It's a little spider web right there. It's a little baby spider. We'll name him Jeffrey. If I had a lighter, I'd burn them all up.
Come on, man. Closer. Come on. Get closer, man. Alright, let me show you how. Come on. Alright, whoa. Back the fuck up. Alright. Backflip, alright? You guys ready?
Remember, this is not done by trained professionals.
Alright. Practice one.
We are untrained professionals. Do this at your own risk.
That's how you do that one. Don't try this at home, kids. Unless you really want to.
Remember, we are all untrained professionals. So we do this for fun. And we're gonna keep doing this shit for fun, so you enjoy it.
Are you ready for a swanton bomb?
Remember, we are untrained professionals. Do not do this unless you want to seriously harm yourself. Or if you want to have fun. Untrained professionals. Fucking awesome, bruh.
It's a possum.
If you do not know what a possum is, they are very violent rodents. They'll attack you. And sometimes they've been known to play dead when they're really alive. It's called playing possum. Just keep going, though. Where's Bob? Wait up for us. Oh no, what have you seen? The cobwebs.
Cobwebs. Gotta get rid of them, okay?
Understandable. Cobwebs, those are created from spiders, leaving them over time. Like this. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Zoom in on that one. This is a wood spider. Be too careful, because the masters can jump. We don't want them to jump on us now. This is a wood spider.
I had one of those wood spiders bite me right on my ass cheek. It hurt.
They are definitely poisonous depending on which ones you get bit by.
I'm Randy Moss, and I want to show you kids how to be just like me.
Oh.
EA Sports. It's not in the game, it's in the way you play it.
Yeah, that looks a little vacant.
Okay.
Oh.
Came to some form of
Impasse. This is impasse we've come into our trail. I don't know, but if we go that way, I'm pretty sure we might run into that creature from Stranger Things. If we go that way. I'm not going that way. If we walk forward, we can actually see the impasse that has stopped us on our trail. What is this? It looks to be a tree that has fallen, guys. Oh, shit.
Alright.
And that will be the rest of the trail. But we can't reach that part. It's blocked. We can always go through the woods, though. That's dangerous. Again, as I said earlier, it's coyotes out here. Mother freaking coyotes.
Gotta beware of the coyotes.
That's right.
Alright.
So which way for us, Bob? Which way are we going?
I believe there's an obstacle around. So we have three choices. We can walk around, turn back, or go over. Okay?
We're out here right now at the trails in Telephone Park. Y'all hear that? As far as Bob, he claimed that he's gonna find us a better way around this trail. The impasse, he's back.
Back off.
He's fighting something. I don't know he's fighting, but we're still at the trail. I'm a little scared. I'm going to probably run soon, but I'm gonna hold my pee. Cause surrounded. I don't know what we're surrounded by. We're gonna walk in just a little bit to see if Forrest Bob is okay. Everybody stay calm. Let's walk in a little. Forrest Bob?
Stay the fuck back.
Forrest Bob, okay. He told us to stay the fuck
Alright, come on guys, it's safe.
It's safe now, okay.
Alright.
So I'm gonna be cautious here, guys. It's a hole. Be careful of this hole.
Hey guys, it's Jane Mariotte, and this is the Foam Castle Show.
And we have here one of our guests that lives in the phone castle. His name is Big Riddle McTittle Fiddle. Hey, how's it going there? I heard some weird shit's been happening there lately.
It's Big Riddle Tittle.
Oh. Well, it's Jane Mariotte, if you could say that.
Let's go, guys. Be careful, Mr. Fancy Cameraman. I don't want you to mess your equipment up. Alrighty. Let's go. Be careful. There's danger surrounding us everywhere.
Oh, God. Alright, hey. So I have a quick question. I heard there's been weird stuff happening down in the phone castle lately. Jordan thinks he's Randy Moss. Is that true? And how do you feel?
Fuck that nigga.
Oh. Okay.
Wait.
What was that?
Okay, hello guys, Nature Dan here. We're right back where we started, on the trail. We're no longer at that impasse. We've made it away and around the impasse. But now we don't really know where we're at. Forrest Bob says he's perfectly fine, he knows everything. But, shh, did y'all hear that?
Hey, get your ass back here. Alright? It's just those damn varmints. Let's keep moving.
Okay, let's keep moving, guys. Oh, there we go, another spider. Again, it is the nighttime. We will see a lot of these as we keep roaming around in Taylor Farms Park. I've walked through a couple webs now, and by far this is the coolest spider I've seen. I'm gonna name it a green. Come on, Forrest Bob, I don't like insects.
What is that? Oh. Shit, what the?
Let's go check it out.
Oh, we're gonna keep stopping. Let's go.
Let's keep moving.
I would leave, but I don't like the dark. I'm just out here. Cause I thought it was going to kill you. Watch out for the branch, guys. Watch out. That's a mean branch. Alright, Mike. Nature Dan's still here. Again, at Taylor Farm Park in Powder Springs. It's a dark, dark night. A little cool, nippy. If you have nipples, they're definitely hard. Oh, the shrubbery. Okay, guys, right here, I'd like you guys to stop and look at this. This is beautiful. This is what we call Georgia bamboo. This is bamboo out here in Georgia. Now, we could take a piece of this home and plant it in our house, in our garden, and then we'll have our own personal stock of bamboo.
Now, this bamboo stick right here is stronger than steel, okay? If you use this as a weapon, it will kill
Oh
somebody.
my God. Is that Jordan? It's Jordan. And he's not got his patented football. I don't think he's Randy Moss anymore. I think this is really Jordan. Holy shit. The gnome. The goddamn gnome.
Here you go.
Thank you. I have a new
My
weapon.
stick! My stick!
Oh no.
Oh no! I'll grab another.
I think you should just hold this then. This will be fine. I think you deserve this.
The bamboo stick.
You're leading the pack. We don't want to be hurt. Those are just sticks.
Okay.
Those are bamboo sticks.
They're just bamboo sticks.
Let's keep
Keep
moving.
moving.
Great.
Holy shit. Oh my fucking God, it's the goddamn gnome. Oh my God, no.
Still wondering if we have cell phone service. We do. I have 2 bars of T-Mobile, and our friend Forrest Bob here has how many bars do you have on service, Forrest Bob?
I also have 2 bars with Sprint services.
Sprint and T-Mobile do give you 2 bars out here in Forrest.
So does Verizon.
Oh, and Verizon as well. Is that fecal matter?
I think the coyotes are near.
Oh no.
Let's get out of here, guys. Moving. Alright, now you hear me. You better not pop out.
Oh shit, no, oh my God. Ah. Alright guys, Nature Dan here. We're right back at Nature Dan's Adventures. So, we came to the part of the trail where we're having a great time, but we're ready to leave. Anybody hear that? Did y'all hear that? Oh, no! Oh, fuck.
Oh, go without me! Go without me!
Nature Dan's out here! Nature Dan does not do nature at night, I'm gone!